Until now, there were many speculations around Kriti Kulhari playing the role of former Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in Madhur Bhandarkar's political film Indu Sarkar. But now that the trailer of the film is out, all the confusion has been cleared. The pink actor Kriti Kulhari will not be seen as Indira Gandhi in the movie. The film, set in the backdrop of 1975 emergency, will witness impeccable performances from Neel Nitin Mukesh, Kriti Kulhari, Anupam Kher, Supriya Vinod and Tota Roy Chaudhary. Kriti Kulhari, who put up a great show in Shujit Sarkar's Pink, will be playing the role of a woman influenced by the leftist ideologies and will take up the responsibility to fight against the emergency. In the trailer, we see her locked up and brutally beaten up by those in power, but she refuses to bow. Neel Nitin Mukesh plays the daring character of Indira Gandhi's son Sanjay Gandhi in Indu Sarkar. He plays an antagonist who only wants things to be his way. Actor Supriya Vinod will be seen as Indira Gandhi in the film. While she is not seen often in the trailer, this dialogue shows her importance. अब इस देश में गांधी के मायने बदल चुके हैं. Anupam Kher will be playing the role of a leftist leader who doesn't fear to go against the system. His is the character which stands behind Kriti Kulhari as her support and motivates her to stand firm in her belief. Tota Roy Chaudhary, who was previously seen in the movie Teen, is playing Kriti's love interest in the film and probably the only one on the system side. He firmly refuses Kriti to talk against emergency in his home. Actor model Milind Soman has found love in a girl much younger to him. Though not much is known about Milind's lady love, the only thing we know is her name. She's Ankita Konwar and is half the age of Bajirao Mastani actor. While we were left intrigued with the intense look on Ajay Devgan, Imran Hashmi and Vidyut Jamwal's face in the earlier released character posters of Badshah, this one has left us confused on how will the elegant and royal Elena D'Cruz fit into the role of a gangster. Bahubali: The Conclusion is all set to hit the Chinese theatres on 17th of September. Trade analyst Ramesh Bala tweeted about the release date of the film and also revealed that the star cast of the film will soon be flying to the neighbouring country to promote the film. If sources are to be believed, then Katrina Kaif has been training rigorously and working out hard to achieve a certain level of fitness to be able to fit in her action sequences in Tiger Zinda Hai. The film is turning out to be a larger-than-life, out-and-out action film. Actor Madhu, who wooed us all with her performance in Roja, is debuting on the small screen with Goldie Behl's Aram, which is touted to be the Bahubali of small screen, as the show is written by K. Vijayendra Prasad and the lead actor Kartika Nair will play the role of Devsena.